కళ్ళతోనే నటిస్తూ హావభావాలతోనే అభినయిస్తూ చాలా సెటిల్డ్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్తో బ్రిలియంట్ యాక్టర్గా నిరూపించుకున్న నేహా శెట్టి ఈజ్ విత్ మీ ఆన్ మై ఛానల్ ప్రేమ ది జర్నలిస్ట్. హాయ్ నేహా.
Hi, my God, your words. Thank you so much, Andy, for introducing me like that. Feels good. Feels
Yes.
good. Thank you.
బికాజ్ టిల్లులో అసలు ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రేమ్ నుంచి లాస్ట్ ఫ్రేమ్ వరకు వెరెవర్ యు ఆర్ దేర్ డైలాగ్స్ తక్కువ, ఎక్కువ లేవు, వన్ లైనర్స్ కొన్ని పంచ్ లైన్స్
Yeah.
బట్ మోస్ట్లీ ఇట్ వాజ్ లైక్ కళ్ళతోని హెడ్ నాడ్స్, బాడీ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్, హ్యాండ్ మూమెంట్స్,
Yeah.
వాటితోనే మీరు మొత్తం అసలు అద్భుతంగా నటించారు నేహ.
Thank you so much, Prema.
అందుకనే నేహ అన్న పేరు పక్కకి వెళ్ళిపోయి అందరికి రాధిక అన్న పేరే నిలిచిపోయింది.
అవును. Yeah.
Wherever you go.
Yes. I don't think ఇప్పటిదాకా people even know me as Neha. ఇంకా తెలియదు అనుకుంటా. అందరికి రాధిక అని ఉండిపోయాను నేను అసలు.
అంతే.
యా. మొన్న నాకు ఎవరు అన్నారు, ఇప్పుడు చేంజ్ చేయమ్మా, నువ్వు ఎందుకు ఇప్పుడు రాధికనే అయిపోవాలి కదా. ఎనీవే పీపుల్ నో యూ లైక్ దట్. నేను ఎక్కడ పోయినా, మొన్న నేను ఐ వెంట్ టు దుబాయ్, మాస్క్ తీసుకున్నాను. And still people came and said Radhika, and I was like, mask వేసుకున్నాను కదా. I was shocked, but నా expression చూసి they were like, I have a mole here. ఆ mole వల్ల కనపడ్డారు అని. I was like, okay, wow.
Yes.
It's just become worldwide. I think Radhika is really left a
And
mark.
just tell me that euphoric response of Tillu 2022 to 2024.
Yeah.
I think it will still go.
Yeah.
But in 2 years, how was it sinking in?
It did not sink in.
Still.
It did not sink in because at the time I thought maybe it will sink in now. ఎందుకంటే టిల్లు స్క్వేర్ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది కదా, ఇప్పుడైనా సింక్ అవుతుంది అనుకున్న టైంకి టిల్లు స్క్వేర్ టుక్ ఓవర్ అండ్ నౌ ఐమ్ లైక్, ఓ షిట్, ఇట్ వాస్ సపోజ్ టు సింక్ ఇన్ కదా ఇప్పుడు అని. సో ఇట్స్ ద రాకెట్ ఇస్ జస్ట్ గాన్ ఆఫ్ నౌ ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఐ డోంట్ నో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఎవర్ సింక్ ఇన్. బికాజ్ ఐ థింక్ ఇంత త్వరగా నాకు ఇంత ప్రేమ ఇచ్చారు. ద ఆడియన్స్ have gone crazy about Radhika and Tillu, and the characters have sunk in so well, whether it is a child to a grandmother and grandfather. నాకు ఎన్ని వీడియోస్ వచ్చినాయి, and most of them are older people.
Yes.
They love it. They're saying the movie heals their money. I was like, what an experience kada. And to be a part of a journey like that, thankful, just absolutely grateful also that I got to be a part of
మొన్న
it.
ఏమైందంటే టిల్లు స్క్వేర్ సినిమా చూస్తున్నాను నేను.
Yeah.
సినిమా చూస్తూ ఉంటే సడన్గా టిల్లు మధ్యలో స్టక్ అయ్యి చుట్టూ కార్లు ఉంటాయి. అయితే ఒక చిన్న ఎలివేషన్ సీన్, బ్లాక్ కార్ వచ్చి జప్పన డోర్ ఎవ్రీబడి వర్ క్లాపింగ్. ఐ కాంట్ టెల్ యూ నేహా.
Yeah.
అసలు ఇట్ వాస్ లైక్ ఒక హీరో ఎలివేషన్ ఇస్తారు కదా సినిమాల్లో.
Yeah.
జనరలీ ఆ మేల్ క్యారెక్టర్స్,
Yeah.
ప్రొటాగనిస్ట్ రోల్ ప్లే చేసే మేల్ క్యారెక్టర్స్కి, లేకపోతే యాంటాగనిస్ట్ మెయిన్ యాంటాగనిస్ట్లకి అలాంటి ఒక ఎలివేషన్ ఉంటుంది.
Thank you.
ఇట్ వాస్ లైక్ నేహా.
Thank you. Actually, నేను అసలు ఎవ్వరు చెప్పలేదు. Even my close friends, family members, like obviously mummy and dad knew it, but ఎవరు చెప్పలేదు that I'm doing a special appearance, and ఎలా ఉంటుంది ఏం చెప్పలేదు, because I wanted it to be a shocker అందరికి, and I think it was.
Yes.
Nobody expected me to be a part of the film. I'll come in and at that moment also in the film, chosen avarki, everyone knows that at that point where Tillu needs somebody to come and shake him, నేను వస్తానని అనుకోలేదు కదా. So that was, I think, a good shake for the audience, and it worked well.
ఒక్కసారి ఒక 5-6 ఏళ్ల క్రితం వెళ్ళిపోతే వెనక్కి వెళ్ళి, ఇట్ వాస్, ఐ డోంట్ థింక్ ఇట్ వాస్ ఈజీ ఫర్ యూ. అంటే ఒక అమ్మాయి ఎన్నో కలలు కానీ నేను సినిమాల్లో నటించాలి, ఒక మంచి నటిని అవ్వాలి అని ఒక ఇన్స్పిరేషన్తో సెల్ఫ్ మోటివేటెడ్గా అడుగు పెట్టి మొదటి 3-4 ఏళ్ళు కష్టమైపోయింది టిల్లు వచ్చేంత వరకు. హౌ డిడ్ యూ హ్యాండిల్ దట్ ఫేజ్? బికాస్ పోనీ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఏదో ఉంది, ఓకే ఈ రోజు కాకపోయినా రేపైనా ఏదో ఒకటి వస్తుంది లేదన్న ఒక కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఉంటుంది.
కరెక్ట్.
సో ఆ ఫేజ్ ఎట్లా ఉండింది నేహా? అండ్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ మధ్యలో కోవిడ్
అన్నీ ఒకేసారి వచ్చేసినాయి అని ఎన్నోసార్లు అనుకున్నాను నేను. అంటే లైక్ కావాలా, రైట్ డిసిజన్ అని ఆ థాట్స్ వస్తాయి. 100% ఐఎమ్ హ్యూమన్, ఆ థాట్స్ వస్తాయి. బట్ ది ఓన్లీ థింగ్ దట్ డిఫీటెడ్ దోస్ థాట్స్, ప్రేమ గారు, ఇస్ I believe in the universe, Andy. Okay, I believe in the universe. I believe that there is something there that's going to give me what I want, because na belief anta peddadi, and my belief of becoming an actor, of entertaining the audience, being in front of the camera, started when I was like 4 years old, Andy. అప్పటి నుంచి I've been like, నేను యాక్ట్రెస్ అవుతాను and people will love, and I want to do different roles and I want people to see me and just enjoy. Vereem oddu naku. But see, I don't even, honestly speaking, నాకు hit a flopper, it really does not bother me. It does not. For me, making a film, the process of making a film, that's why I'm so selective also with what kind of projects I do. ఎందుకంటే నేను చేస్తున్నప్పుడు I want to enjoy it.
Okay.
It's not for any other reason, because I've come into the industry also. I did engineering, Andy, so I could have actually just gone ahead and done, I was a topper in computer science. I wanted to get into hacking, decoding and coding. I wanted to go to San Francisco, but all of that was academic wise.
Yeah.
As a profession, I always wanted actress, but Amma is a dentist, Dad is a businessman. Telid ela avutadi ani. But when I took my first adugu towards what I wanted to do, then there was no looking back.
Yeah.
Then it is only my belief. It's okay. Any hurdles ochina, I take those 2 days of just sitting on my bed and binge watching edo Netflix lo. I'll be like, it's okay. Anni ochinaya, I know it's fine. But after that, I'll get up again. I'll get up again and be like, outadi, because that's what I'm here for and I know it. చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి నేను అదే కళ్ళ చూసాను. సో there's nothing else that I want.
మన కళలు మనవి, బిలీఫ్ మనది ఉంటుంది. కానీ మన కుటుంబ సభ్యులు భయపడుతుంటారు. లైక్ ఇట్ హ్యాపెన్ విత్ మీ ఆల్సో. నేను ఒక 10-12 ఏళ్ళు TV9 లో పనిచేశాక సడన్లీ ఐ టుక్ అ డెసిషన్ టు వాక్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఛానల్ అండ్ డూ సంథింగ్ ఆన్ మై ఓన్. అమ్మా నాన్న ఇంట్లో అంత మంచి ఛానల్, అంత పెద్ద బ్రాండ్ ఉన్న ఛానల్, why do you want to leave?
And their questions also come out of love only and care, everything out of that.
మనకు మన మీద ఉన్న నమ్మకం ఒక్కసారి అందరికి ఉండకపోవచ్చు. సో అప్పుడు దాన్ని what did you do?
Again, touch wood andi, I don't know, stars, universe, everything is on my side in this birth, I should say. Endukante my family has never questioned me. They'll never ask me enduku avledu, enduku time padutadi.
Okay, you try for another 4 years or 5 years.
No, nothing. We are here next to you, whatever your decision is. And I'm also the child who discusses everything.
Okay.
Whatever I feel, ఆ రోజు రాత్రి ఎవ్రీడే వీ హ్యావ్ అ కాల్ అండి, ఫ్యామిలీ కాల్. ఆ రోజు రాత్రి అన్ని చెప్పేస్తాను నేను, ఇట్లా అవుతుంది అట్లా అవుతుంది. దే విల్ టెల్ మీ వాట్ దే థింక్. దే విల్ నెవర్ ఫోర్స్ దట్ ఆన్ మీ. దేర్ ఇస్ నో క్వశ్చన్స్. దే విల్ టెల్ మీ దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ వీ థింక్, దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ మేబీ యూ షుడ్ డూ. And then I'll think about it, think how I can place that na journey lo ella place chestanani place chesi, then I'll go ahead. So thankfully adi kuda has never been negative for me. Akkada kuda they're like, we're here, it's okay, time padtunda avutadi, it's fine, you work hard, you work on yourself.
As young as 3 years or 4 year old, modeling lo Horlicks ad, then you know Rasna,
Kisan I did,
sorry, not Rasna, the Kisan ad, and then there was a Malabar Gold.
right, like,
so ante appudu age enta meeku em telusu?
So Horlicks ad, I was in the 4th grade, I remember. Pan India all languages chesanu, and it was my first experience.
Okay, so you're 7-8 year old.
7-8 year old. 7 or 8, you're right. My first experience for anything to do with camera and me. And I was the main Horlicks girl pan India. And I had to tell the dialogues in different languages. Where all I did Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, Hindi also. 4 languages I think for sure, and Kannada also. I did 5 languages, and we shot in Pondicherry, inka na gurtundi. And I was so excited because I was like, anni movies ilane shoot chestara, like so many questions kada. And also I remember the ad shoot went on for 2 days, and it was just oka ad oka 3 minutes untadandi. And at that point of time I'm like, I was calculating, I was sitting with my parents on the bed and saying, oka 2 minutes ad 2 days ante, imagine oka movie ki enni rojulamma. I'm so excited andi.
Appude meeku idunde
yes, I was a very calculative child when it comes to acting. And even if newspaper చదివాను అనుకోండి, నేను ఓన్లీ the acting and all the cinema biz side only, that ఏమేం జరుగుతుంది, which movie is releasing, which actress is doing well. I would actually see most of the interviews, read their articles, just to know how I should be when I be there, you know. I'll be their junior అని అలా.
సో కట్ చేస్తే మోడలింగ్ నుంచి ఇండస్ట్రీలోకి రావటం, was it a slow transition or a fast transition, or it took time?
It was a fast transition. It was actually a very fast transition, because I remember 12th boards, I was just going to give. March was 12th boards. February lo నాకు ఒక కాల్ వచ్చింది for the first Kannada film. And I wasn't prepared appudu, 12th standard kadandi. So I was like not sure. So నేను డాడీ కన్నా that I still want to give my board exams, I'll finish my engineering, దాని తర్వాత చూద్దాం అంటే డాడీ was like, are you sure, opportunities coming by your way? Appudu again, see, then also my parents didn't say go do it. They were, that time also they were like, opportunities coming your way, nu choose chesko. What you want to do? Do you want to finish your studies and then come and try? బట్ కమ్ అండ్ ట్రై అంటే అది కూడా నాట్ ఈజీ బాబు అని. ఐ రిమెంబర్ డాడ్ టెలింగ్ మీ, బికాస్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తావు, ఎవరు కాల్ చేస్తావు, అండ్ అప్పుడు ఇంటర్నెట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దట్ వాజ్ నాట్ దాట్ సింపుల్ ద వే ఇట్ ఇస్ టుడే. సోషల్ మీడియా హ్యాడ్ నాట్ రీచ్డ్ ద వే ఇట్ ఇస్ టుడే. సో ఐ రిమెంబర్ హిమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ మీ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్, నీకు కావాలా, ఎలా చేస్తావు, బీ ప్రిపేర్డ్ అని. I said no. I don't know, at that point of time I said no. I will finish. I said I'll finish my 12th boards. I don't think I'm prepared. Yeah, but I thought I'm not prepared anukunna nenu. I thought at this point of time I have to concentrate on my studies, because adokkati mummy had made me promise, you have to finish your education and then get into all of these things. I want you to always have a certificate or something that you'll fall back to, a degree basically. So I said it's okay, enduku ippudu నాకు distractions avanni ani. Then 2 months later, they called me again. I was giving my AIEEE and CET exams. Again, I was doing my modeling. I said, it's not possible, Andy. I really need to start. They wanted to start shoot immediately. And I had to choose between my exams and this. And I said, impossible, because exams unnai and I have to complete, because otherwise how will I get into an engineering college or whatever. Then in the month of July, this nizanga idayindi. After Feb, in the month of July, I was reading the newspaper and I read that the makers have not found a heroine for that film. They've auditioned, still. They've auditioned about 200, that's why I said too quick. About 250 girls something they had auditioned. They've not found anybody. Edo ante aa roju my elder brother had just come back from UK. I thank him even today. Nee vallene anni jariginayi lepothe he had just entered and he said, "Enti, I heard, you got a movie offer and you've been saying no, adidi." Ante for him summer holidays appudu. It's not like that. I just thought that, I had exams going on. It's fine, ostadi. Ante he said, when something, you're not even some I remember his dialogue, you're not even a Shah Rukh Khan's daughter. Okay. This literally, he made me cry that day. You're not even a Shah Rukh Khan's daughter. Nee doorstep ki vachi adugutunnaru. What you've been dreaming of all your life. The whole Khandan knows this. ఎందుకు నువ్వు అంటున్నావు, నువ్వు ఎంత ఈగోనా నీకు, ఏమనుకున్నావని నాకు తిట్టాడు వెరీ వెరీ బ్యాడ్లీ. ఐ క్రైడ్ దట్ డే, దెన్ స్లెప్ట్ ఓవర్ ఇట్, లైక్ థాట్ ఓకే ఫైన్, ఇంత తిట్టాడు కదా, లెట్ మీ గో టు కాల్ దెమ్ వన్స్ అండ్ సీ. I called them, they said come for the meeting the next day. The same day they signed me. I couldn't do my engineering because they wanted to start shoot immediately. So I had to do distance studies. So it happened quickly, but still took its time.
And then no looking
Then
back.
there's no looking back. Then I knew that okay, the door is opened. Now, yeah.
So ఇప్పటి వరకు టోటల్ గా ఎన్ని సినిమాలు చేశారు నేహ? All languages? 6.
Yeah.
One Kannada and 5
One, yeah.
How has the journey been? అని అడిగితే ఏం చెప్తారు? I know it was, there'll be ups and downs.
Yeah, of course, every journey has ups and downs,
but still overall,
in between you wonder, time padtunda, am I not reaching adidi ani? But then when I look around, I feel it's okay. It's okay, because I don't want anything overnight.
Okay.
I want a journey, and when I look back, I don't want my journey to be short. I want my journey to be long, and I want it to be beautiful.
Okay.
When I look back. So I feel like it's going that way. పర్లేదు అలాగే జరుగుతుంది అనిపిస్తుంది నాకు. So when I look back, I think I'm very happy. The journey has been good.
Okay.
No regrets.
సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ 5 ఏళ్లలో అసలు మీకు ఆఫర్స్ రాలేదా? వచ్చిన ఆఫర్స్ ని స్క్రిప్ట్ నచ్చక రిజెక్ట్ చేశారా, లేకపోతే మీ పాత్ర నచ్చక రిజెక్ట్ చేశారా? సో హౌ వాజ్ ఇట్ యాక్చువల్లీ?
I actually look at the script overall only. My character comes secondary.
Okay.
Because for me,
from the beginning it was like
from the beginning.
Okay.
From the beginning.
You never wanted to figure yourself in some big banners, big heroes pakkana, just a glamour role, just running around the trees and dancing, singing.
I mean, that is also a different kind of acting anpisthundi.
Right. That is. Adi correct.
But adi raaledi.
Beginning nunchi meer aa thought lo leda anu.
No. So adi నాకు ఇంకా రాలేదు. That opportunity has not come yet.
Okay.
Where I would get some role where I'm actually running around the trees, I'm wearing that sari on the snow. I've not had an opportunity like that yet.
All right.
But with whatever has come until now, I've been particular about the script. I want the script to be something different. I want every script where, for me, it's a benchmark where I think, okay, I've done something in that script and I'm not going to regret it. Movie does well or not is secondary for me later. I have to be confident that whether the movie does well or does not do well, I have something that I have looked at in this film.
Okay.
It's a personal thing. But for the audience, a script overall is what I look at. Yeah, always.
ఈ డెసిషన్ ఏదైతే మీరు తీసుకుంటున్నారో, were you misunderstood? అంటే ఏ రోల్ వచ్చినా కూడా ఈ అమ్మాయి ఏంటి వద్దంటుంది అంటే ఎంత ఒక స్క్రిప్ట్తో వెళ్తున్నామే, వై షీ డినైయింగ్ దట్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఆర్ డినైయింగ్ దట్ రోల్ అని ఇఫ్ ఇట్ స్ప్రెడ్స్ ఇన్ ద మార్కెట్, దెన్ వేరే రకంగా వెళ్తుంది అది ఒక్కోసారి.
Correct. So maybe it has happened behind my back. I am not aware. నా అవేర్నెస్ కి ఐ హావ్ నాట్ హర్డ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీవన్ సే దట్ ఎందుకు ఏ స్క్రిప్ట్ వచ్చినా నో అంటుంది ఆర్ ఎనీథింగ్ లైక్ దట్ ఆర్ మేబీ మై టీమ్ హెస్ కెప్ట్ ఇట్ అవే ఫ్రమ్ మీ.
ఓకే.
నాకు తెలీదు బట్ ఐ ఎమ్ నాట్ అవేర్ ఆఫ్ టాక్ లైక్ దట్ కమింగ్ అప్.
సో హౌ డిడ్ టిల్లు హ్యాపెన్? ఈ క్వశ్చన్ మిమ్మల్ని చాలా మంది అడుగుతారు.
టిల్లు కూడా సడన్లీ అయింది తెలుసా.
బట్ ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు గివ్ మీ డిఫరెంట్ ఆన్సర్ which you actually were not even aware of and when Tillu happened.
When Tillu happened,
Yeah.
I was shooting for Gully Rowdy in Vizag.
Okay.
Very badly sprained my neck. So badly ante next day I have shoot ante and I couldn't move that side or this side. They had to fly me to Bangalore to meet a physiotherapist and fix my neck. On the way to the airport andi. Okay, and I get a call from my manager. సేయింగ్ నిహా ఏమైంది షూట్లో ఏం జరిగిందంట, యూ ఓకే, ఎక్కడ వెళ్తున్నావు? ఐ సెడ్ బెంగళూరు వెళ్తున్నానండి, ఐ ఫిక్స్ అండ్ కమ్ బ్యాక్ టుమారో మార్నింగ్, సెకండ్ హాఫ్ షూట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే డన్. కాదు ఒక ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంది, ఆఫ్టర్ బెంగళూరు కెన్ యూ కమ్ టు హైదరాబాద్? సో ఐ సెడ్ బట్ ఇక్కడ షూట్ అని ద ఎంటైర్ సెటప్ ఇస్ రెడీ. నో సో దెర్ ఇస్ అ ఫిల్మ్ Sidhu Jonnagada. That time, I think he had just finished his Netflix films. That
Krishna
time,
and his Leela.
Krishna and his Leela. So then they were like with him. So I was like, okay, and he was a good friend. So I was like, okay, which film is this? Because film ki I already knew that the puja was going to happen, and they had already announced the entire star cast. And Sidhu and me, like, we have a huge group of friends, Andi. Okay, and all of us in that group had even wished him all the best. All that was over. So నేనేం అనుకున్నా, నెక్స్ట్ మూవీకి అని అనుకున్నా నేను. I didn't think it was that film. And our time lo, it was not DJ Tillu. The title was Narudi Bratukunatana.
Yeah, Narudi Bratukunatana.
So they said that is, and when he said that is the title on the phone, I was like, are you sure? Because నాకు తెలుసు already the puja is going to happen day after. Literally Friday మాట్లాడుతున్నాం, Sunday puja. He said, no, our movie ki andi, will you like fly? So I said, okay, went to Bangalore, half day, early morning, finished my physiotherapy, flew to Hyderabad, sat for the narration. నేను ఎంత నవ్వానంటే నరేషన్ లో ప్రతి బిట్ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ యూ ప్రేమ గారు, ఏడుస్తూ నవ్వాను నేను. ఐ హ్యాడ్ అ పిల్లో and I sat in, I still remember Sitara office lo ila, like I was folding my legs and sitting, and I have laughed so much. It was around 9 p.m. andi, and then I said, okka nimsham, is this a script? Like, is this somebody's life? Ekkadunchi rasaru? And I asked this to Vimal and Sidhu when they were narrating. That's how much fun I had. I think hands down, I'll tell you, ippudu daka in my career, I've heard so many scripts, never enjoyed a narration the way I enjoyed that narration. And that has come out on screen, of course. Everyone has to believe me when I'm saying this. అంత నవ్వాను నేను. అండ్ I was like, అడుగుతున్నారా నిజంగా? లుక్ ఎట్ మై రియాక్షన్ ఇక్కడ. నెవర్ హర్డ్ ఆఫ్ అ స్క్రిప్ట్ లైక్ దట్. I was like, I'm in, let's just do it.
Okay.
Then they told me రేపే పూజ అంటే I was like, oh. And then the rape. That's how quickly even Tillu happened. Yeah, DJ Tillu also happened.
నార్మల్ గా ఒక సినిమా నరేషన్ ఎయిదర్ డైరెక్టర్, అసిస్టెంట్ డైరెక్టర్, కో డైరెక్టర్స్ ఎవరో వాళ్ళు వచ్చి ఇస్తుంటారు. ఈ సినిమాకి ఇద్దరు వచ్చి ఇచ్చారంట కదా, విమల్ అండ్.
అవును యాక్చువల్లీ నేను ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు సిద్ధు వస్తాడు ఫర్ ద నరేషన్ అని, బట్ ఐ న్యూ దట్ సిద్ధు అండ్ విమల్ wrote the script together. Because at that point of time, because we were in the same friend circle, Sidhu would come and tell some dialogues, and all of us would laugh whenever we all catch up. Appadki this was like when he was still in the writing stage. He would come and share certain dialogues of Tillu and all of that. Appudu Narudi Bratukunatana kada, and we would all laugh. But narration ki when he came, it was actually a lot more fun because combination lo they both were telling the story, right? So I actually had a great time because when Tillu had to talk, Sidhu would do the narration, and then the rest of it Vimal would tell me, and the combination of Vimal and Sidhu is very quirky andi. Chala vere laga untadi. Even on set when we were working, it's a lot of fun. So I think narration also was like too good. It was
Tillu అనే ఒక వ్యక్తి ఒక వెరైటీ క్యాండిడేట్. అతనికి అంటే ఈజ్ వెరీ వల్నరబుల్, ఈజ్ వీక్, ఈజ్ లైక్ చాలా సింపుల్ ఫెల్లో, బిందాస్ ఫెల్లో. ఆయన మీద ఆయనకు ఓవర్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఎక్కువ, ఆయనకు అసలు ఏం తెలియదు. ఇలాంటి ఒక క్యారెక్టర్ కట్ చేస్తే ఆన్ ద కాంట్రరీ ఆల్ దీస్ యాక్ట్రెసెస్, ద హీరోయిన్స్, దే ఆర్ ఆల్ వెరీ shrewd, very cunning, very upfront on the face, very very dangerous.
Dangerous, ouch ప్రేమ గారు.
భలే ఉంటుంది. అంటే జనరల్గా మనము అమ్మాయిల క్యారెక్టరైజేషన్స్ మనం అంత ఫన్నీగా, అంత క్రూయాలిటీతో ఫన్నీ క్యారెక్టర్స్ మనం ఎప్పుడు చూడలేదు. చాలా రేర్, అది రేర్ కాంబినేషన్ అది. సో ఇలాంటి ఒక క్యారెక్టర్ చేయటం అన్నది నేహా, వెన్ యూ యాక్చువల్లీ వెంట ఇన్ టు ద సెట్స్, దట్ ఎసెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద క్యారెక్టర్ ఇస్ దట్ షీఈ్ నాట్ యాజ్ లౌడ్ యాజ్
she's not. And she's just the opposite, in fact.
Exactly.
ఆ సేమ్ డైలాగ్ ని ఎంత రకరకంగా టిల్లు చెప్తాడు, అంతే సేమ్ సటిల్ వేలో షీ విల్ సే ద సేమ్ థింగ్. There will be no expression on her face but still an expression on her face. And that's what I learned with Radhika. That with no expression also you can still have an expression on your face. And trust me, it was not only me. Radhika andarki anta nachindante it was all the hard work of Tillu and Vimal, because okoka line ki they would come and tell me. They'd be like, Neha, do it with us. You know, we do our rehearsal, so we get Radhika as perfectly as they've written it.
Okay.
Because even me as Neha, I'm very hyper andi. Like I talk only with actions and all that. Naku itla maatladadam raadu, naku edo hands tie ayinattu anpistadi naku. So because of my hyperactiveness, for me to switch from that completely to a character like Radhika, honestly I have not seen with the number of films I've seen in my life, I've not seen a character like Radhika being anta subtle but still hyper.
Yes.
She is hyper, but she's hyper with those little things that she tells.
Yeah.
It's not with her actions, with anything else, you know. Adokka dialogue lo you can make out so many things about, you know, what she's thinking. So I think it's a one of a kind character.
Yes. And మధ్యలో కొన్ని పదాలు లైక్ ఆ గుణపం ఇక్కడ అంటే గుణ, సో అలాంటి కొన్ని వర్డ్స్ అంటే అసలు దాని మీద మీకు తెలియదంట. కొన్ని పదాలు అలా మీరు ఆన్ స్పాట్ ఏవో కొన్ని ఇంప్రొవైజేషన్స్ చేశారని
నాకు ఇప్పుడు నవ్వొస్తుంది. బికాస్ యాక్చువల్లీ that dialogue came up right on set akkade.
Exactly.
We were shooting a scene similar to whatever that scene was, but వాళ్ళిద్దరు మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడు నేను కూడా ఉంటాను కదా అక్కడ డిస్కషన్ కి, and I'll be laughing. సో ఏదో గుణపం అన్నారు ఇద్దరు. సో I was like, గుణ what? నేనే అన్నా, because I did not know what gunapam meant. They made a dialogue out of it. Atla ఎన్ని డైలాగ్స్ చేశారు తెలుసా. Like it not only me, if anybody would come and ask them, it was very impromptu andi. Like dialogues would just come from here and then they would say cut, okay, you know what, ee dialogue ikkada add cheddam. They both of the combination were too good, like yes. really good. So gunapam also came up. Nene adgan actually, I just remember I was like, Guna what? నేను ఎన్నోసార్లు అడిగాను, బికాస్ అప్పుడు నా తెలుగు వాజ్ స్టిల్ నాట్ దిస్ గుడ్, ఇంకా ఇంప్రూవింగ్, స్టిల్ గెటింగ్ బెటర్. గుణపం.
దేర్ ఇస్ నో మ్యారేజ్ వితౌట్ టిల్లు సాంగ్, నో వెడ్డింగ్, నో సంగీత్, నథింగ్. ఆ 2022 తర్వాత ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఎవ్రీ ఫంక్షన్, వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ మ్యారేజ్, వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ birthday or whatever,
any function
which has a dance, which has DJ.
So just after Tillu release, the next year kite flying untadi kada. So on the terrace there were at least I don't remember which side of the city well, and I think Charminar side well no. I went for the kite flying this thing in festival, and I was just seeing the sky or whatever, and suddenly okka terrace lo play ayindi. The number of terraces that played 2023 Jan lo Charminar side only playing Tillu song, and it was echoing, and I just stood there and I said, what an achievement kada. Like I don't know, I personally monna kuda when we celebrated 100 crores, I was just standing there on the stage and I was like, what an achievement. Like just with this character that has been created, it's just mind boggled the like two states anmata, like you know, and it's going to stay forever ani, and come and I feel like very early in my life I've gotten to be a part of a journey like that. So it just tears in the eyes kind of moment. It's very like
But Neha, Radhika character comes with a baggage. Oka pakkana appreciation untundi, inko pakkana ante criticism kuda muuta
absolutely.
There were a lot of trolls and there were a lot of criticism. Actually ga Tillu Square time lo Anupama was very scared. Chaala torture pettesaru on social media. So how do you look at this? How do you look at this kind of a scenario, and how does this affect you? Did it affect you?
No. So something about social media that very early in life, I told myself very early, until before even I got into the industry, Prema garu, you won't believe, this was when I was like 15, 16.
Appadiki inka anta ledhu kada social media.
No, social media ante at that point of time, whatever media is what was there, which I've brought into social media also. An article that I read of an ex-actress from an industry, I still remember, Bangalore Times article lo, she has told the media people that Naku, what the media writes, what people say, none of that matters. I am in the industry for what? Not for me to know what you all think. For me to act. I'm here to do what I want to do. And the only people I care about, whose like opinion matters to me, is my family. And manam in her family also, manam nalguru. And for me, what my sibling, my parents think is all that matters. So whatever the media writes, I don't read it or I don't. That undipoyindi naku. I made my parents sit down, showed them the article and said, this is going to be my journey.
ఓకే, ఏదన్నా జరగచ్చు,
ఏదైనా జరగొచ్చు.
మాట్లాడొచ్చు.
I said, I want you to trust me. There can be any kind of rumors, any kind of trolls, any kind of media, whatever. You all will trust me, you all will ask me, and I will tell you the truth. But this, if I get this strength, then I can fight the world.
ఓకే,
సో ఆనెస్ట్లీ స్పీకింగ్, ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్లో పోస్ట్ చేస్తాను కదా, నాట్ ఈవెన్ మై ఓన్ పోస్ట్, ఐ డోంట్ రీడ్ ద కామెంట్స్.
you just post and leave.
I just post and leave it because I'm like, our comments low. No offense to my loved ones, to my audience who's even watching this. Not trying to say that what you all are telling me with love is not reaching me. Atla kadu. It's just dantlo negativity kuda untadi. And our negativity really affects us also. Manam kuda humans kada, and I don't want to know that side of it. Whoever loves me, I know it's going to come to me in many ways. It doesn't have to be with me reading it. So I really don't bother reading, going into searching for my articles. Like some actors I know have the habit of typing their names and seeing what all articles have come or this, that. I have no such habit. So whatever trolls and memes came, other than what my team would share with me out of excitement, nenu asalu chadvanu. I don't even go search for it. Because I'm here to entertain y'all. I'm here to do my bit because I love doing it. Y'all will love me, y'all will hate me, y'all will have opinions about me. That's on y'all.
దట్స్ అ వెరీ గుడ్ పర్స్పెక్టివ్. అంటే అంత పాజిటివ్ యాటిట్యూడ్ ఉండటం చాలా మంచిది. బట్ ఒక్కోసారి ఏమైపోతుందంటే, ఇందాక మనం అనుకున్నట్టు ఒక ప్రెస్ మీట్లలో అట్లా కూర్చున్నప్పుడు డైరెక్ట్గా అడుగుతుంటే ఒక్కోసారి ఒక ఎంబారస్మెంట్, ఒక కైండ్ ఆఫ్ వై మీ అంటే ఎంతమంది ఉండగా పిన్ పాయింట్ చేసి ఉమెన్ క్యారెక్టర్ని, ఒక విమెన్ రోల్ ప్లే చేసిన వాళ్ళని మాత్రమే
ఇట్లాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతారు. సో లైక్ యూ సెడ్, ఐ ఫ్రోజ్. నన్ను అడిగినప్పుడు ఐ ఫ్రోజ్. ఐ డిడ్ నాట్ అండర్స్టాండ్. ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ నాకు అది, if we go back and see, I have never spoken about this, Prema Garu, actually. And ee roju I'm speaking to you about what had happened that time. I usually avoid this question, but I'd actually, because this is a very heart to heart interview.
ఎందుకు మాట్లాడాలి అంటే, ఇది మీ ఒక్కరి గురించి కాదు. అందుకే ఇంకెంతో మంది ఫేస్ చేయొచ్చు.
You don't know what is going to be asked at you. Appur daka I was just thinking social media adi idi ani. I didn't think mic etti somebody would ask me something. That was new. Annitki prepare ayi unnan nenu.
Taken aback immediate ga.
No, I immediate ga I didn't realize andi. I didn't realize I immediate ga. Nen actually, if you even go back and see the video, nan adagaledu a question. That a question was asked to somebody else, and my reaction was, I was actually talking to my producer garu about something, and edo navtunna nen. I didn't even not realize that this had happened. After everything got over, somebody came and asked me, are you okay? I said, okay na. What happened? Just after the interview, my team walked up to me and said, are you okay? So I was smiling. I said, what happened? Because now if you go back and think, I don't know what I would have said back. You know,
if you would have heard it.
Yeah, maybe knowing me, because I'm a very straightforward person, and I think diplomacy should be used where it should be used, but certain places I wouldn't use diplomacy. If somebody would have asked me that question, what I wrote on Twitter was, what if it was somebody from your house? Right? Because we all have women around us, like men have women around them, right? What if it was your mother, sister, daughter, somebody asked the same question? What would you be okay with that, Andy? Like, how are you even having the heart to ask a question like that? I don't understand. So today, I would not say for people who are my contemporaries or my juniors who are going to start, ella answer cheyalan kadu, but be aware that you will be facing these kind of things, because the world is still not changed. The world has not evolved completely, but be aware that you need to face it. Don't run away from it, is what I'd like to say. Roju, because it was not asked to me, I don't know how I would have reacted. For sure, I can't tell. But because I did not know, I couldn't even react. But the minute I got to know, in the next 1 hour, I was like, somewhere I have to react. I can't keep quiet. How can someone, if he can ask, then anybody can ask.
Yes.
And I need to tell that, no, you cannot ask. These questions are not okay.
But I'm so happy that Sidhu immediately gave it back.
Yes.
That kind of audacity that a person had to ask a question. Ante confidence, with that conviction, somebody responds. And that to your male co-star.
He
stood by you.
Absolutely.
Like ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఇంకా అవన్నీ ఉన్నాయి.
Yeah.
When someone attacks at a woman,
Yeah.
it's like the men stand. They stand.
Which is unity, right? We
Yeah.
need that.
Yes.
We need unity, equality to be said out there, shown out there, especially by our male co-stars.
Yeah.
Because when women say it, still people don't take it seriously. But when a man does it, it is taken seriously. And I'm not saying we need them, but it's good that they at least support us in this
Right.
journey.
Yeah.
That support is needed, and Sidhu was one such person.
ఇప్పటి వరకు మీరు చేసిన సినిమాల్లో, ఈ 5-6 సినిమాల్లో,
Yeah.
ప్రతి సినిమాలో
Yeah.
ద స్టోరీ,
Yeah.
ద ఎంటైర్ థింగ్ వాస్ సరౌండింగ్ అరౌండ్ యూ. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, రైట్ ఫ్రమ్ మెహబూబా
Yeah. Somewhere, yes.
సమ్వేర్ అంటే అమ్మాయి చుట్టూ కథ నడుస్తుంది.
I'm just going back and playing the movies now.
See, Rules Ranjan
Yeah,
is
Rules
that.
Ranjan is that. Correct.
Even Bedurlanka.
Yeah.
Then Tillu.
Yeah, whether it's in a small way or a big way, but yeah, Amai Chuttu somewhere. But the stories are different. If you observe,
కానీ ఇంత పివటల్ రోల్ ఉంది మీకు ప్రతి సినిమాలో.
Yeah.
దో ఇట్ ఈస్ అ స్మాల్ క్యారెక్టర్ బిగ్ క్యారెక్టర్, లైక్ టిల్లు స్క్వేర్ ఇట్స్ అ కెమియో.
yeah.
బట్ అసలు ద మూమెంట్ యూ ఎంటర్డ్, ఇట్ వాస్ లైక్ everybody was shouting and screaming.
Yeah.
That's what I mean.
Yeah. No. So what I'm saying is that is something I've been particular about again. That ఇప్పుడు నేను చేస్తున్నానంటే it has to be different. నాకే అనిపించాలి I'm seeing myself in a different role. I'm seeing myself in a different outfit. I'm seeing my different self in a different character. ఇప్పుడు from Tillu, from Mehbooba to Tillu to Gully Rowdy where I'm from, Vijayawada, to Bedurlanka, Yanam side Ammai where I'm wearing a half sari and all of that. And then Rules Ranjan, which is Tirupati side Ammai. And now it's going to be Gangs of Godavari. That's going to be very different. I'm so excited because I think this is going to be one of my best characters. One of my best again. And I think people are going to really, they should look forward for something new.
What is there in Gangs of Godavari that you're so excited about?
Oh, how can I reveal what
అంటే
is
ఏం
there?
మాట్లాడకూడదా, కొంచెం ఏదో ఒకటి చెప్పొచ్చు కదా.
So,
వాట్ యూ కెన్ రివీల్, దట్ యూ కెన్ రివీల్.
yeah, so Gangs of Godavari is a film that's not even of this era. It's of the 90s. So we've seen village drama, we've seen political drama happening of this era, and it's been a while since we've been taken back in time. That is the newness of Gangs of Godavari.
Okay.
You're going to be taken back in time, and still the reality of certain things in life. Godavari side.
సో యూఆర్ అ విలేజ్ గర్ల్,
Yeah.
బట్ ఐ థింక్ యూఆర్ అ లిటిల్ రిచ్ విలేజ్ గర్ల్
Yes.
కదా.
Yes. I'll agree to. How much ever I can, yeah.
1 minute teaser
Teaser only.
కొంచెం అట్లీస్ట్ మీరు వేసుకున్న
Yeah,
బట్టలు,
yeah.
దుస్తులు,
You can make out.
ornaments,
Yeah.
కొంచెం.
Yes.
బట్ అంత గ్లామరస్ రోల్ ఏం కాదు అది.
No.
ఇట్ ఇస్ స్లైట్లీ డీగ్లామర్డ్.
I think for me it's going to be so fresh. ఎందుకంటే as of now people have seen me glamorous role లోనే చూసారు అందరూ.
అంత.
So I'm
Mostly
just like,
urbanized.
yeah, most exactly. Even if I'm wearing a sari, it's urban sari,
Yeah,
right? So I'm like, ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం కొత్తగా చూడండి, see me in like a little more 90s feel లో. Yeah, so I'm excited about that. ఒక్క మూవీ నుంచి ఇంకో మూవీ అంటే నేను I'm like a little kangaroo jumping already, saying okay what's next అని.
అండ్ యువర్ సచ్ ఎ స్పోర్ట్ నేహా. స్టేజ్ మీద మీరు అసలు ఇన్హిబిషన్స్ ఉండవు మీకు. ఎవరేమనుకుంటారు, ఏమైతుంది, నాకు ఎట్లా అనిపిస్తే అట్లా ఉంటా, నాకు
Yeah.
ఎలా ఉండాలనిపిస్తే అలా ఉంటా.
Yeah.
లైక్ యునో ద వే యూ స్పోక్ ఆన్ టిల్లు స్క్వేర్ సక్సెస్ మీట్,
Yeah.
టిల్లు సక్సెస్ మీట్
Yeah.
అంతకు ముందు,
Yeah.
దెన్ యు నో ద వే యూ రియాక్ట్ ఇన్ ప్రెస్ మీట్స్,
Yeah.
అండ్ దెన్ మొన్న విశ్వక్సేన్ ద వే యూ డాన్స్ ఆన్ ద
Yeah.
స్టేజ్,
Yeah.
ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ లైక్ యూ డోంట్, అంటే మీరు ఆ స్పోర్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద మూమెంట్ లో మీకు ఏమనిపిస్తే అది చేస్తారా, లేదా క్యాల్కులేషన్స్ ఉంటాయి?
No, అదే ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు సే తెలుసా. సో నన్ను అందరూ అడుగుతారు ఆలోచించవచ్చు కదా ఏమనుకుంటారు అంటే, ఎవరు అనుకుంటారు? దట్స్ మై క్వశ్చన్. ఎవరు అనుకుంటారు? ఎలాగైనా అనుకుంటారు కదా, చేసినా చేయకపోయినా కూడా అనుకుంటారు కదా. ఇప్పుడు నాకు కావాల్సింది నేను చేస్తాను. లైక్ ఐ ఫెల్ట్ like even when I go for my promotions and whether it's for all these TV shows, I take the mic and I talk.
Yeah.
Sometimes I'm just talking like I'm the anchor because I don't think too much. I'm having a great time. I'm here at the show with the participants, with the judges, with the audience who are watching. I want to have a great time and go back. Want to give them a great time. దాని మధ్యలో ప్లానింగ్, దాన్ని ఈ టైంలో ఇది చెప్పాలి, ఆ టైంలో అది చెప్పాలి, అది కూడా చేస్తా. కొంచెం ఎక్స్ట్రా కూడా చేస్తా.
ఎస్ సో కొంచెం ఎక్స్ట్రా చేసినప్పుడు క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ ఉండవు,
No.
ఇన్హిబిషన్స్
No.
చేసేస్తారు. బట్ దాని తర్వాత ఏవో ఒక క్రిటిసిజమ్స్ వస్తాయి, దాన్ని పట్టించుకోరు.
నేను చూడను, నాకు తెలీదు, నాకు తెలీదు. ఐ డోంట్ లుక్ బ్యాక్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఐవ్ డన్ ఇట్. నేను అడుగును, బట్ ఐ నో దట్ మై టీమ్ విల్ కమ్ అండ్ ఆస్క్, నేహా వాట్ ఇఫ్ దే సే దిస్ అని. సో వాట్ ఇఫ్ దే సే దిస్, ఈ రోజు అంటారు, రేపు వేరేదో అంటారు అని, అంతే.
సో కొన్ని ఇమోషనల్ రోల్స్, ఇంటిమేట్ సీన్స్, యూ ఫీల్ దట్ ఓకే I have to give my 100%.
Yeah.
So all these, especially the action scenes avvachu, intimate scenes avvachu, emotional scenes avvachu, వీటిలలో how do you put yourself in that character? Do you do some workshops or homeworks or on spot immediate reactions? ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది?
I think I'm a very switch on, switch off actor. I don't know how to describe that. Switch on, switch off ante at the moment. Like if I know today's an emotional scene, not the whole day I will be emotional or sad, but 1 hour before that, you'll see me. Yeah, 1 hour before that, I'll be reading the script. I'll call my director. I'll sit with him. What exactly is going to be that? My mood will be fully focused, not on crying, but feeling what she should be feeling.
Yeah.
Like what? Suppose it's Radhika. If Radhika is supposed to be crying in this scene, why is Radhika crying? You know, what is Radhika going through? What is Radhika thinking? Is what I'll start thinking before I go there. I think those questions are important because that's when your emotions come out. You put glycerine, even if I think as an actor, if you wear glycerine, if you don't put glycerine, unless you feel it from within, that glycerine will really not help. Tears vastai, but kannalo you should see the emotions kada. Kannalo you will not see it otherwise. So I feel like all these questions behind my head is important at the back of my mind. So I prepare myself like that. But the minute I'm done, I snap out. I mean, I've not gotten a role where I really need to get into the skin of the character, like for an entire month per se.
Yeah.
You know, and I'm waiting for a role like that. I'm waiting for a role where my preparation is every day reading the lines and, you know, stuff like that. I'm not saying every film is not like that, but I'm saying those characters are like, for example, I can say Deepika Padukone from Padmavat. You know, that's a heavy role. Heavy set, heavy atmosphere. You know, you carry yourself with a lot of pride. There's a lot of things to that role. So maybe a role like that, I would want to prepare, sit with my team per se, understand my scenes. But as of now, all my roles have been where I can sit with my director. I can talk to him, understand what he wants from me, what should the character be thinking, prepare and get to set.
రీసెంట్లీ నేను తమన్నాని ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేశాను. సో తమన్నా ఆల్ త్రూ హర్ కెరియర్ షీ టుక్ అ డెసిషన్ దట్ షీ వుడ్ నాట్ గో ఓవర్ బోర్డ్ అబౌట్ ఇంటిమేట్ సీన్స్. బట్ వన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్ షీ డిసైడెడ్ నో ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ ఇట్ బికాస్ అది కూడా ఒక రోల్, అది కూడా యాక్టింగ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ దట్ ఐ యామ్ దట్ పర్సన్, అది కూడా యాక్టింగ్. అది నాకు తెలుసుకోవడానికి 15 ఏళ్ళు పట్టిందని చెప్పింది. బట్ టుడే ఐ యామ్ హ్యాపీ ఇన్ దట్ స్కిల్, ఐ యామ్ డూయింగ్ ఇట్. కానీ మీ విషయంలో వెరీ ఎర్లీ ఇన్ యువర్ లైఫ్ you've taken over that, or you had no inhibitions whatsoever doing an intimate scene. So how did that happen, Neha?
I wouldn't say I did not have inhibitions. I wouldn't say I had. For sure, because for any girl, unless and until, I think maybe if your parents have been a part of the industry, you've seen the journey, you know the journey, you have somebody to guide you. Now, these are things where somebody does not guide you, like how Tamanna ma'am also has said that it took her so many years to understand, right? But like that, I had not told myself, idi cheyanu, chestanu. I had never kept any roadblocks for myself.
Okay.
But when Tillu happened, because it was the first time for me doing an intimate scene, when the script, I forgot the intimate scene akada. The script, no, I'm saying the script I loved so much that thankfully in my life, the intimate scene came in a script where I said, this film is a blockbuster. And Sidhu and were like, shh, Neha, okay, shh. I said, no, Andy. I stood up and said, I'm a part of a blockbuster film. Okay. Every interview, I want them to watch this interview to know. They have stopped me before interviews to say, Neha, don't say that, don't say that. No, okay. Like they didn't want to be overconfident, but I was like, we're coming with a bang, and they never wanted me to be.
ఎందుకు అనిపించింది మీకు అంతగానం? ఎందుకు అనిపించింది బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ అని?
ఇప్పుడు మీరు మూవీ చూసిన తర్వాత నన్ను ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగితే
చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఎందుకు అనిపించింది?
బికాజ్ స్క్రిప్ట్ విన్నాను కదా నేను. ఐ న్యూ ది స్క్రిప్ట్, ఇట్ వాస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ అ కైండ్ స్క్రిప్ట్. I knew it was Tillu's world. I remember talking to them about it, saying this is a different world. Spy Universe world is there, no? Like
Yes,
how they're
yes.
trying to create a Hanuman
Yes.
movie, or they're trying to we have Marvel series. Like that, Tillu is a world of itself. I forgot about the intimacy. I didn't realize there was an intimate scene at all until I said yes, everything was done. Then they said, Neha, there are 2 intimate scenes. And then I said, okay. Just okay was my reaction.
Yeah.
And then I said, okay, just give me some time. I went back home. I remember this. I went back home, thought about it, called my parents. First thing I do after listening to every script, called my parents. My dad told me what Tamanna Garu has told you. My dad said, it is a role. You, for the last 20 minutes, are screaming on the phone saying the script is fantastic, it's a blockbuster script. I can only hear that. My dad told me, not even my mom, Prema Garu. My dad said, darling, this is a role. Treat it like any other role. Why is this supposed to be treated like wrong or bad or anything? It's a normal thing that people do, right? So if everything else can be shown in a movie, why not romance? You know, and it can be shown in different ways. So it's okay. I don't want you to overthink. Do not even think about that, because you are focusing on the script being so amazing. Just tell them yes, just go to it.
It gives you even more confidence.
Yeah, my dad. Yeah.
And when you were actually on the sets, first day, when you were doing an intimate scene, what was going through your mind?
I was nervous. I was, for sure. I was nervous. I called my mom from the caravan and I said, okay, finally the day has come. I need to. She said, you remember what me and dad spoke to you about that day? Think of it as a role. If she said, what if you have to do a scene tomorrow where, you know, you're doing a proper fight scene where you might even hurt yourself, right? You will hurt yourself. You'll be this nervous only because you know you're going to hurt yourself. It's okay to be nervous. It's okay to feel what you're going to feel. But know that you're doing it for the film. There's no other reason. It's your work. And this is what's written. So just do it like that. So that's why I said, like, my parents, that way, touch wood, Andy. They've just been there to tell me, we're here. You know, you go ahead and do it, and to guide me at the right time.
కొన్ని మనకి మనమే కొన్ని పరిధులు పెట్టుకుంటాం, కొన్ని లిమిటేషన్స్ మనకు మనం పెట్టుకుంటాం. అట్లా మీకు మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా కొన్ని విషయాలు పెట్టుకున్నారా? లైక్ యు నో, టిల్ హియర్ ఐ క్యాన్, నాట్ బియాండ్ దట్. టు వాట్ ఎక్స్టెంట్ ఇస్ ఓకే, టు వాట్ ఎక్స్టెంట్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఓకే. సో అంటే నాన్ నెగోషియబుల్ ఉంటాయి కదా కొన్ని, అలాంటివి.
బట్ ఫర్ మీ ఇట్ ఈస్ not about an extent. For me, it's what the script demands.
Okay.
If the script is demanding a certain extent, and if I have chosen the script, then I will do it. I would have chosen the script for a certain reason, right? It does not have to be about the scene. Like I said, Tillu, when I chose it for the script, chose it for what a fantastic film it was going to be. Not thinking about this one scene. That's a part of the script. That was needed for the script. That was needed for the audience to believe whatever they had to believe about Tillu and Radhika. You know? So I would say it's not any border or extent that I have kept for myself. I would say whatever my script demands. And I know I will choose the right scripts for me, for the right things to happen.
Zinat Aman on her Instagram, way back, she put a statement anamata. Satyam Shivam Sundaram chesinattu. Raj Kapoor. And even much before that, కొన్ని స్విమ్ సూట్ వేసుకున్న ఆ రోజుల్లో, some 50-60 years back, she said the role demanded. And I did it. సో ఒక 50-60 ఏళ్ల క్రితమే,
can you imagine,
వాళ్ళ ఆలోచన.
I mean, I give it to her, really. Like, her thinking even today, I think she's way beyond any of us even today. If you see her posts, if you see what she writes below her posts, I think she's always been a very forward thinker, and that's brilliant. Like, you know, we as actors should actually look up to youngster actors like her.
And what is this about the Mangalore girls? I don't understand.
I also don't understand.
They are talented, super talented. They're beautiful, good looking. They're very strong. Very, I mean, a lot of conviction. So what is this about Mangalore girls?
I also don't know what it is about Mangalore girls. A lot of people ask me this question, actually. And Telidu, because honestly speaking, Mangalore parents are very, very strict. They are. I do come from a family where they can be strict and grounded and stuff. Family, not my parents. Like dad's side of the family. But still, I think we break barriers and we make it out there and we shine. I think most Mangalore girls are actually in the showbiz. If we come to think about it.
You shine beyond boundaries. It's like that.
Yeah, we have. Thank you.
Yeah. What is your favorite pastime? I mean, other than films ఏమన్నా ఉంటే అది ఏంటది?
I love dancing. I've always been a dancer. So I learned freestyle, I learned ballet and hip hop, I learned the Western style. My mom always wanted me to learn Bharatanatyam. But and she always blackmailed me saying, if you learn Bharatanatyam, you'll become an actress, because that's how Madhuri became an actress. I used to love Madhuri Dixit when I was growing up because of her dancing. So I said, okay, well, Tanu, and then I went for classes. A month later, I came back home and I said, ఏంటమ్మా 1 month నుంచి ఒకటే స్టెప్ చేపిస్తున్నారు. She was like, it's a phase. అంటే నాకు అంత పెద్ద ఫేజ్ వద్దు, నాకు immediate I want to learn. Then she shifted me to Bollywood classes, then learned ballet, hip hop. But so you can see that even as a child I've wanted to become an actress so fast. Ee slow journey oddu naku, but I came here like quickly, like I'm like, yeah. In the learning process oddu, I just feel like I learn it quickly, naku oddu, naku vachestadi akkada ani. But during Rules Ranjan I had a small bit where I had to do Bharatanatyam. The struggle, Prema Garu, it is not easy. ఆ రోజు నా మమ్మీ కోల్ పట్టుకొని నేను చెప్పాను కానీ ఎక్కువ అని కూర్చున్నారు. I was hurt, my knees were bruised. It was not easy. So hats off to all those girls who've actually learned classical dance forms. ఇక్కడ వచ్చి నేను actually I even almost learned Kuchipudi also. I tried.
You learned? Okay.
I tried for 1 month. Shoot started then. I couldn't. But I always wish that one day I want to learn one of the classical, maybe Kathak. So let's see. Yeah.
నిహా, జనరల్గా కొన్ని రోల్స్, కొన్ని క్యారెక్టర్స్ మనకు వస్తాయి, అంటే మన దగ్గరకు వస్తాయి. కొన్ని మనం సీక్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది ఒకసారి. డూ యూ బిలీవ్ ఇన్ సీకింగ్? Do you pick up a phone and call directors and producers and ask, cast me in your films, or I would love to do with you? అట్లా అడుగుతారా, మీరు చెప్తారా?
100%. If I know that there is a film going on somewhere, I have called up. Called up and spoken to the director or producer and said, hello sir, if you think that I am the right person for this role, then please consider me. I don't mind. I've even said I don't mind coming and giving auditions, because I feel like the audition thing is there mostly in Bollywood. I don't see it happen a lot ikkada, but I still offer and I say, because sometimes I feel like directors don't know until they see you in the role. Okoko roles I want to play, but I don't know how to make them see me in that role. So I do ask 100%, and I think if you don't ask, how will you get? If you're not out there to say it, how will they know that you're available? Because ఎన్నో మంది ఉన్నారు కదా. సో it's very important to say it. But also నేనేం చెప్తానంటే, there is a very thin line of saying you want work and showing that you're desperate for work. That line is a very thin line. It is how you walk and talk that is so important in the industry or anywhere else. It's not only in my line of work. When you say you want something, people should not mistake that as you being desperate. Unless you're being desperate. But when you're being desperate also, you can be taken advantages of in so many ways. I feel like keep your head on your shoulder. What you want is what you will get. Just focus on that. Don't get distracted.
ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే, జనరల్గా మీరు ఎవరితో అయితే పేర్ అవుతున్నారో, ఎవరు ఆపోజిట్ మీరు యాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారో, చాలా మంది క్యాల్కులేటెడ్ ఉంటారు. Am I acting opposite a big star? Or at least a second line star? So మీ క్యాల్కులేషన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి? Do you really consider all that? అవన్నీ చూస్తారా మీరు? బికాజ్ నేను చూసింది, మీరు చాలా మంది అంటే వరుస ఫ్లాప్లు ఇచ్చిన యాక్టర్స్తో కూడా చేశారు. అంటే యూ యాక్టెడ్ విత్ మెనీ యాక్టర్స్. వాట్ మేక్స్ యూ డూ దట్? మీకే కెరియర్ ఇంకా ఫుల్ ఫామ్ అవ్వలేదు.
Exactly, but I'm still taking the risk. Is what you're asking, right? Because naakadi, it's not feeling like a risk. It's not feeling like a risk. I feel like at this point of time, I want to be working. Working is what's important. People seeing me is important. Me doing films is important. Yes, I'm not saying what you're asking is not there in my mind. Of course it's there. Of course I want to work with some bigger actors. I want to work with successful. I want to work. But also I don't want to, if I'm working with somebody who's had a flop, I don't want to think of that person as he's only had a flop. I want to look at it as me and him doing a film together. So I don't look at it as a flop or hit hero or any of it like that, which is also important, but not always, is what I'm saying.
Okay.
So I want to have a journey where people at least understand that I'm not looking at it like that. I've spread that word for sure, that I'm not looking at things like that.
Okay. Normalga actresses always want to look good, presentable. ఎస్పెషల్లీ బయటికి వస్తే దే వాంట్ టు కమ్ ఇన్ మేకప్, దే
Yeah.
వాంట్ టు హ్యావ్
Yeah.
గుడ్ హెయిర్
Yeah.
అండ్ మంచిగా ప్రాపర్ డ్రెస్సింగ్ అలా. వాట్ డూ యూ థింక్? మీ ఐడియా ఏంటి?
Firstly-
వాంట్ టు లుక్ ప్రెజెంటబుల్ ఆర్ ఇట్స్ ఓకే?
Because I've always wanted to be an actor.
Oh.
I've always seen the actors so perfect.
సో యూ ఆల్సో వాంట్ టు
Always. గొడవ ఇంట్లో if my mom said కింద వెళ్ళి అది తీసుకోరా అంటే I have to go perfectly well and she'd be like why అంటే
నీట్ గా.
always to an extent where Prema garu I would not repeat my outfits.
Oh my god.
I would not repeat my outfits and my mom would ask me why and I would say have you ever seen an actress repeat outfit? నేను చేయను. It's because so what I wanted to tell you now is అదొక రకంగా ఒక హ్యాబిట్ అయిపోయింది నాకు.
అంతే.
It's never I wouldn't say makeup. For me makeup is not perfection. Makeup is not
Okay.
but I in my eyes should look fine.
ఓకే.
It's not about makeup, what people think. It's not about any of that. Sometimes it could be a no makeup look, but in my eyes I'm looking nice.
ఓకే.
In my eyes I'm looking perfect. So that's okay. But I have to convince myself that I'm looking okay. That's
So
there.
మీ wardrobe is always full with clothes.
If I-
పాపం మీ అమ్మ నాన్న.
I think after this interview అడుగుతుంది ప్లీజ్ కెన్ ఐ టాక్ టు ప్రేమ గారు నేనే ఇన్సైట్స్ ఇస్తా అని ట్రైలర్ లో యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు మీ ఇంటర్వ్యూ ట్రైలర్ లో అని. సో యా దెర్ ఆర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్ దట్ ఐ హావ్ పెస్టర్డ్ మై పేరెంట్స్ అబౌట్ సిన్స్ మై చైల్డ్హుడ్ థింకింగ్ యాక్టర్స్ ఆర్ లైక్ దాట్.
Yes.
ఇప్పుడు తెలుసు నాకు బట్
టిల్లు తర్వాత మీరు ఒక చోట ఏదో సమ్ ఓపెనింగ్ చేయడానికో దేనికో వెళ్ళారు. నడి రోడ్డు మీద జనాలు ఎంత మంది ఏదో పొలిటీషియన్ దగ్గరకు వచ్చి పొలిటీషియన్ చూడటానికో అలా వచ్చేసారు. ఐ సీన్ వన్ పిక్చర్ ఆన్ యువర్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్. సో ఐ వాంట్ టు టాక్ అబౌట్ దట్. ఊహించారా?
I think these pictures mean between the car I've come up and I'm saying hi or something. No, I only felt like a politician that day. I was like, isn't it love? Because even my hi is feeling like how the politicians say hi kada. But I'm not meaning it like that.
అలాంటిది ఒకటి జరుగుతుంది, అది మీరు చూస్తారు, మీరు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అవుతారని మీరు అనుకున్నారు, ఊహించారా?
ఊహించాను 100%. I've always dreamt ki this has to happen with me.
అది ఓకే,
But not so soon. But not so soon. The amount Radhika has given me so soon, it's more than me doing 10 movies, Telsa Prema garu. I can't tell you. Like I know maybe if I do 10 more, if I had, instead of Radhika, if I did 10 films also, I wouldn't have got so much love. I know that. And I will take this to my grave. To my grave. నేను ఒక ఇప్పుడు దాకా ఆల్సో ఒక పోస్ట్ లో ఇఫ్ ఐ స్టిల్ సే రాధిక ఎంతో మంది they comment saying, I mean this I know because I've heard of it also, common people around who say ఇప్పుడు దాకా she's not letting go of that character, she's still, but that character, like how Sidhu says, it's an emotion.
Yeah.
That character is not something, that character has given me so much, it's not going to go away. It's not going to go away.
There is a dialogue in Tillu Square.
Yeah.
He calls Anupama Radhika. Then she say, నా పేరు లిల్లీ. రాధిక కదా, నువ్వు రాధికే, నువ్వు లిల్లీ అయినా సరే నువ్వు రాధికే. రాధిక జాతి స్త్రీ నువ్వు.
Exactly. That name has given me so much that it's going to stay with me forever and I'm forever going to cherish it no matter how many other characters I get.
మీకు ఏమనిపిస్తుంది, రాధిక లాంటి అమ్మాయిలు ఉన్నారా? అంటే ఇది ఒక క్రియేటెడ్ క్యారెక్టర్. ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళ అమ్మాయిలు ఉన్నారా? అలాంటి అమ్మాయిలు ఉంటారా?
I've heard that there are girls like that, but around me they're not there. I'm not aware of a Radhika. Okay. Is how I would say. Okay. But I know that when the film became famous, I had so many people call me and tell me, oh Telsa, no, and give me examples, and I was like, really, Nizanga? So I know that there are apparently, but not around me.
The boys, అబ్బాయిలు చప్పట్లు కొట్టేస్తారు మీరు స్టేజ్ మీదకి వస్తే. అంటే ఎక్కడో నా జీవితంలో ఒక రాధిక ఉంది, నేను కనెక్ట్ అవుతున్నాను.
నాకు ఎన్ని మెసేజెస్ వచ్చినాయి ఆఫ్ మై క్లోజ్ పీపుల్, మై క్లోజ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ హూ ఐ నో సేయింగ్, వాళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఆర్ లైక్ మై గాడ్ ఎంత హౌ మెనీ గర్ల్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ తెలుసా ఇట్లా అంటే. ఐ వాస్ లైక్ నిజంగానా, లైక్ ఇస్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్ దట్ దేర్ ఆర్ సో మెనీ ద వే పీపుల్ హ్యావ్ లవ్డ్ ఇట్. ఒక టైంలో నాకు ఐ స్టార్టెడ్ ఫీలింగ్ బ్యాడ్ బికాస్ ఐ వాస్ లైక్ అందరూ అలా కాదే, లైక్ వై ఆర్ దీస్ బాయ్స్ ఫీలింగ్ సో హ్యాపీ అబౌట్ ఇట్, కొంచెమైనా తగ్గించండి అని యువర్ హ్యాపీనెస్. ఈవెన్ దో ఐ am Radhika, the boys have been very happy about the character.
బట్ ఈ జోక్ మన దేశంలో అంటే ప్రపంచంలోనే ఉంది. ఏంటంటే
it's not a Radhika joke.
అబ్బాయిలంటే ఇంకా అమ్మాయిలు ఏడిపియటం, అలాగే పెళ్ళైన వాళ్ళు అమ్మ పెళ్ళాలు అంటారు. ఇట్ ఇస్ లైక్
it's a universal joke about women. బట్ దాంట్లో నుంచి ఒక్క ఇది తీసి దే మేడ్ రాధిక అంతే. దెర్ ఇస్ యూర్ అబ్సల్యూట్లీ రైట్, ఇట్స్ అ యూనివర్సల్ జోక్ అబౌట్ విమెన్ అంతే.
కొన్ని సెల్ఫ్ కేర్ విషయాలు ఉంటాయి, లైక్ స్కిన్ కేర్, హెయిర్ కేర్, బాడీ కేర్, ఫిట్నెస్, ఫుడ్, వీటన్నిటి విషయంలో వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ టేక్?
I think it's very important, but Neha has not started following it.
నిజమా?
Yeah.
అలా ఉన్నారు మీరు? అదేంటి, బై జీన్స్ అది?
I think it's by genes. I think కాదు. I think by now. I think yeah.
అమ్మ నాన్న అలాగే ఉంటారా?
Yeah. అలాగే అని కాదు. I feel genes అన్నమాట. So I think family ఎప్పటి నుంచో. Yeah. But touch wood, things have been good as of now నాకు. But I eat everything అండి.
నిజమా?
I eat everything. ఈ ఇంటర్వ్యూ తర్వాత మీరు పిజ్జా అంటే I'll be like, come on, let's have some pizza. Let's have some dessert అని. కింద ఏదో పేస్ట్రీ షాప్ చూసాను. So I'll be like, వెళ్దాం పదండి. I love sweets. Okay. So there's no restrictions, no diet restrictions, nothing. But I know I need to start following.
ఏమన్నా చేస్తారా? వాకింగ్, యోగా?
So honestly, I think it is important. Important లేదని చెప్పట్లేదు. I think it's important because as actors, for us, the most important thing is our skin, our hair, how we look, all of those things. I've been blessed and I'm late to the party, but I will do it. I don't work out regularly, but I dance regularly. But workout is something I need to start. Okay. Yeah, workout and food regime, all of these things I'm yet to.
ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో కాస్టింగ్ కౌచ్ ఇంకా ఉంది, ఆ మీ టూ అన్నది ఇంకా కొనసాగుతుంది, అంటే చాలా మంది అమ్మాయిలు అది ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అవుతున్నారు అని అంటారు. వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టోరీ?
My parents asked me this question. ఆ Me Too కేస్ అయినప్పుడు నన్ను అడిగారు, నువ్వు you've never spoken about this కదా అని. But I genuinely am telling you, Prema garu, I have not encountered a situation like that. I don't know people around me who've encountered situations like that. So I don't want to simply say it when I don't know it.
Okay.
Is what I told my parents. I was like, నాకు తెలీదమ్మా, అందుకే చెప్పలేదు. I was only shocked saying, ఇది జరుగుతుందా? Like, where is it happening? How is it happening? My mom gave me an answer for it. She said, because my parents don't come for every meeting, Andy. From day one, they have said, we know, we've taught you what is right, what is wrong. You go do it. If you need us, you'll call us. We know that, right? The only thing my mom would say is, the way you walk and talk will speak volumes. The way you walk and talk, dan prakaranga, whoever's in front of you react outar.
The way you conduct yourself.
The way you conduct yourself in other language. So she said, she was like, I am proud of you because the reason you've not, come across anything is maybe because that is what we've instilled in you, you know. So anyone, like I still have so many girls who want to come into the industry. That's the only thing I say, Chaltalsa. Because they ask so many questions. And I'm like, I don't want to give you false news, false hopes, just because I have not encountered it. It's out in the world now where people are saying,
but
it's
sometimes
there.
Even if you conduct well also, sometimes you will face. అది కూడా జరుగుతుంది.
Now these are things that I'm not aware of. Because of which, for this question, when I'm asked, I really don't have an answer because I have not come across something like this, and I don't want to comment without knowing what exactly it is like.
Correct. So, I take on this.
Yeah.
చాలా ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్ లో, అంటే ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ అని కాదు, ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్, కంపెనీస్, కార్పొరేట్స్, మీడియా, ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ, ఎవ్రీవేర్ ద సాలరీస్ ఆర్ నాట్ ద సేమ్ for men and women. There's a lot of pay parity. And I'm sure it is there even in the industry.
Yes.
But so how do you take this and how do you handle this? How do you, and do you accept this, to agree with that? It's okay anukuntara? Em anukuntaru?
See, I think it's not okay. Okay. But I also think, what is going to happen to that thought of mine? What can I do with that thought of mine? Right? We have one life where we can try and fight to change things. We can, for sure. But am I going to give my 100% to go and fight with all these people who are following a certain routine for years?
Yeah.
I wanted to change, yes. When there is a time where I can make a decision, where I can put my foot down, I will, Prema garu. I know I will. But that time has not come yet.
Okay.
Which is why I don't want to speak. When the time is right, I will speak. I will say what I have to say. I will get what I want to get. But the time is not right yet for me to come out there and say anything, is what I believe in. Because of which, again, I'd not like to comment.
మనం ఎంత ప్రోగ్రెస్ అవుతున్నామో
Yeah.
అంత రిగ్రెసివ్గా కూడా తయారవుతున్నాం అని అంటారు ఒక్కోసారి. బికాస్ ఒక 30 years బ్యాక్ 40 years బ్యాక్ దే వర్ హీరోయిన్స్ హూ ఆర్ యాక్చువల్లీ పేడ్ మోర్ దెన్ ద హీరోస్.
ఇప్పుడు కూడా 100% they can be, but I feel like they're not taking that step is what I feel. You got it? They are also just going with the flow for whatever reasons is what I feel. Whoever can be paid to that certain extent with certain heroes, whoever we compare it to when it comes to our contemporaries, I feel like no one's taking that stand and saying it yet. ఇప్పుడు ఒక మీడియాలో చెప్తున్నారు, పోస్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు, అవన్నీ చేస్తున్నారు, but where you're supposed to say it, are you saying it?
Yes.
You're not saying it because you are also looking at the work. Are you taking a stand?
Final question is about the narratives. సో ఇప్పుడు సినిమాల్లో కొంచెం మారుతుంది, అంటే కొంచెం విమెన్ సెంట్రిక్ గా కొన్ని రాస్తున్నారు,
Yes.
రాసే వాళ్ళు కూడా వస్తున్నారు,
Yes.
బట్ స్టిల్ వీఆర్ నాట్ దేర్.
Yeah.
సో వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు సే అబౌట్ ద narratives, బికాస్ కోవిడ్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ ఓపెన్డ్ అప్.
Yeah.
మనకు చాలా మలయాళం సినిమాలకు we were exposed.
A lot. I feel like the whole industry and the whole filmmaking writing process has changed post COVID. Endukante COVID lo there was so much awareness for normal people sitting at home just watching OTT content.
Yeah.
They were like, there are any movies choosarante right now for them, they're not satisfied with anything we give them, which is making the writers very like what you say, it's like a challenge for themselves.
Yes.
To what they wrote, what they need to write today is because it's not easy to convince the audience. And also with OTT becoming such a big platform, people are not coming to the theaters. It's becoming so difficult. So in an era like this, I feel like it's going to change slowly. Overnight change kadu, but at least in the last 3 years, I can see a massive change in scripts, in the way, even female centric I should say, the scripts are being written, the scripts that even come to me. I think there are some fantastic scripts that people are actually writing today, and I'm very happy.
ఏమన్నా చేస్తున్నారా మీరు? ఏమన్నా మీ కిట్టీలో?
Not yet, but I am looking forward to.
Okay.
I'm actually, that's why I mentioned it right now, that
Okay.
there are films coming up which are like very good. So there is going to be a turn for sure. Very
OTT
soon.
ఏమన్నా చేస్తున్నారా నేహా?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ నేహా.
Thank you,
Thanks a
Prema
lot for
garu.
your time. But before we end, I have a rapid fire round.
Okay.
This would be interesting.
Okay.
I have a gift hamper for that.
Sweet. Okay.
Most hurtful moment.
Again related to Radhika. I saw so much of love Radhika was getting from one side. There was also one side that I heard people said, it's a negative character. It hurt because this kind of audience love, this kind of fame, appreciation, warmth, not every character gets. So when you're getting this in abundance, that also being shaken with something negative, that really hurt.
అవునా?
That
బాధపడ్డారా
really hurt.
కొంచెం?
Yeah.
ఏంటి
That really-
బాధ ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది నేహా? If you get hurt, what do you cry
Silence.
or you just
Yeah, cry for sure, because I believe that if there's something you're feeling, it has to come out.
okay.
దాన్ని లోపల క్లాగ్ చేస్తే it's just going to hurt you again more when something else happens. You always have to release it from your system. So I take my time to cry in whatever way. Cry
But you cry only in closed. I mean మీ మనుషుల మధ్య.
alone.
అదే అంటున్నా.
Yeah. Just me and me, not outside, not at all. And for me, it's like then and there, I talk to myself a lot. I do a lot of talking to myself, to the universe. Talk to myself, clear it out, and then I'm ready for the next day.
Okay.
So yeah, that hurt me a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
మీరు బాగా ఆస్ట్రాలజీ జాతకాలు నమ్ముతారని విన్నా.
నేను కాదు, నా పేరెంట్స్.
You don't believe?
No, I mean I don't believe until I'm pushed to believe now.
Pushed to believe.
Pushed
Okay.
to believe, but my parents.
సో మీ అమ్మ చెప్పరా ఇగో పలానా రింగు పెట్టుకో?
అయ్యో చెప్పారండి,
stone పెట్టుకో.
చెప్పారండి, but I'm like, see, I'll listen to whatever you have to say, please, ఇవన్నీ వదిలే. We don't.
All right.
Yeah.
సో బాగా రిగ్రెట్ అయిన సందర్భం.
Regret.
It could be with regards to a role or a film or a character or whatever.
Remember a regretful moment in my career, because that's what I want, right? When I go back and look back, నాకు regret వద్దు. I always even if at the split second in regret cheste, I turn that into a positive, Prema garu. I never let it remain in my past as a regret.
Actors you wish to be paired with. అంటే కొంతమంది చూస్తే it could be even women also.
Yeah.
Like
Oh, yeah.
Share the screen with that particular heroine or
with
actress.
Nayanthara.
Nayanthara?
Yeah.
Okay.
I really want to share the screen with her. I think she is so good with her performance, brilliance, everything. I mean, if Sridevi Garu was still alive, I would have said her.
Okay.
But in recent times, and for a very long time, I've really followed Nayanthara Garu's career also. I think sharing the screen space with her will be like really nice. Yeah.
What about your male counterpart?
Male counterpart. I've always said I really want to share the screen with Allu Arjun sir. So let's see. Yeah.
ఆయన కూడా చెప్పారు కదా స్టేజ్ ఎక్కి
Like yeah.
టిల్లు అప్పుడు
yeah. So
you told him it is in his brain now. You planted that.
Let's see.
One yesteryear film which
Okay.
you're really fond of and you think, okay, if it is remade again, once more if it is made, I would fit that role అని అనుకున్న క్యారెక్టర్ ఉందా?
There are a couple of, so I used to watch a lot of Anushka Shetty's films. I can't think of a film right now, but I know that probably one of her characters I would have wanted to. Yeah, one of her characters for sure.
All right. Your top 3 favorite actors, అది కూడా contemporaries, not
Yeah.
మీతో పాటు ప్రస్తుతం ఉన్న వాళ్ళలో
Yeah.
మీకు బాగా ఇష్టం అంటే these actors are really brilliant అని అనిపించేవాళ్ళు ఎవరు?
One is Sidhu,
Okay.
for sure. I think Ram Charan Garu is really good. Allu Arjun sir for sure.
One question
Yeah.
that you don't like to be asked.
Yeah, I've been asked a couple of times about why I took a break post Mehbooba.
I didn't.
You didn't ask? I was very happy. The answer is. But no, it was not a break. I went for New York Film Academy. Pure chapta.
Okay.
But yeah, people looked at it as a break. I said, no. I had different plans. I like, so yeah.
Oh, okay, done. All right. What is your strength? What's your weakness?
Strength is family. Weakness is also family.
మీరు షూట్స్ మధ్యలో కంపల్సరీగా ఫ్యామిలీతో ఉంటారా అంటే వెళ్ళిపోతారా లేకపోతే యూ హ్యాంగ్ అరౌండ్ విత్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్?
I make sure once a month I go visit my family. For sure. If I'm not shooting, unless I'm like shooting or whatever, once a month I have to go and spend 2-3 days with them. That does not change. Otherwise with friends is once in a while. For sure. But family comes first.
ఓకే.
Yeah.
ఏమి ఇష్టం మీకు? తెలుగు అన్నా, తెలుగు రాష్ట్రం అన్నా, తెలుగు ప్రజలన్నా, తెలుగు ఫుడ్ అన్నా, హైదరాబాద్ అన్నా, what do you like?
Muddapappu avakaya annam. I love.
ముద్దపప్పు ఆవకాయ.
My favorite binge. It's like if someone really makes avakai, vallu they make it in their homes and they bring kada. That avakai is not the avakai we get in these supermarkets.
Okay.
That is so good.
సో ఎప్పటి వరకు ఉన్నారు ఇప్పుడు హైదరాబాద్ లో?
ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాను మీరు. Please tell me. Yes, please.
మొన్న పెట్టాం ఆవకాయ.
Please.
మొన్ననే ఒక వారం 10 రోజులు
నేను ఇక్కడే ఉన్నా.
నేను తెచ్చిస్తా.
Please tell me.
I'll get you.
Yeah.
I'll get you. One dialogue from Tillu.
ఎందుకు టిల్లు నన్ను నమ్మడానికి అంత కష్టం నీకు?
ఈ మాట నువ్వు నిజంగా అంటున్నావా రాధిక?
అది ఎంత సింపుల్ డైలాగ్ తెలుసా, ఎంత ఫేమస్ అయింది ఆ డైలాగ్ అసలు. ఇట్స్ ద ప్లేస్మెంట్.
Even it is there in Tillu's fair also.
Oh yeah. But yeah, anyway, that's
Yeah. Okay. Gangs of Godavari sets lo that one moment that stayed back.
There is a good moment that is going to stay back.
Neha?
No, can't. And that moment is a very deep moment. And for the first time, I'm performing a role like this. So there's a lot to Gangs of Godavari than what it seems.
What a teaser and promo you are giving.
I'm only giving. So yeah. This is the suspense. There is a lot.
Now the last question, which you
Yes.
weird moment with Sidhu. He's a prankster, no?
He's not a prankster.
Not a prankster.
Yeah, compared to the two of us, I think I'm the prankster. It's just the way he talks. He's so spontaneous. Like, you can't with that man. Like it used to be so funny on the sets. I think so. Let me just answer this with like the Gunapam thing, right? Like it would be so instant. It would just be so instant. So I think that the weirdest, the funniest moment would be the entire time. Like I'll give you a small instant where we'd have a scene where he's locked inside the room, right?
Yeah.
And there's a dead body there.
Yes.
So we can only hear his dialogues. Now he opens the door and Radhika has to open the door for him.
Yeah.
Will you believe, even if I'm not seeing his face, there's that door. Just listening to his voice and the dialogues inside saying, Radhika, and I know what he's doing, looking at the dead body, I would just laugh. There have been times where there have been at least 10 retakes because Radhika is laughing. Looking at Tillu, that's what I have done because he's so funny. That was proof, Andy, that the film is going to... Everybody on the set, lights, camera, set boy, everyone would just stand and watch the man perform and laugh.
Now I want you to do a Ram Miriyala.
You want me to do a Ram Mirala with this voice?
Yes.
Not
That's
at all.
okay, Neha, that's fine.
I will dance for you for Ram Mirala song, but I
You
will
dance? Okay. we'll do that.
You want us to end it with the dance?
Please.
Come.
This is a gift hamper from
Thank you so much.